Shoshokazi, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your poet here, DJ. So today bengithi nje ngifuna sithi ukubheka la uKevin Momo because last week, I think it was on 29 May, ukhiphe album laphana ibizwa ngeThato yabademu. So igama leli laThato liqhamuka from igama lakhe because uThato Kelvin Ledwabo uzalelwe eSoweto wase-DK. Ikasi idume ngabantu abakhulu abadlala ifootball but umjita ubhizi uyiproducer amapiano. So this past weekend bekade kuneshow enkulu la, I think bekuyi-3 nights because ibe Friday, Saturday and Sunday night. So ibizwa nge-Red Bull Symphonic. I think abantu abaningi bazoyikhumbula last year ibe khona ikade yenziwe uKabza. So this Red Bull decide ukuthi ke beshintshe benikeze uKelvin because I think when it's come to amapiano mawubala ama-Kings amapiano, you can name uKabza, you can name uPore. After labo, obvious umuntu olandelayo uKelvin Momo because even in terms of ama-numbers uyena umuntu operforma ngama-numbers. So Red Bull banikeze yena i-chance and ngiwabonile ama-clips because abakayi-release ishow yonke but akhona ama-clips akhona ku-YouTube ngiyibonile. I think ishow ihambe kahle be-dope but I don't think izoba dope than yakabza because yakabza bekuyi-experience yokuqala and bekade isho iyitori eziwu-2 because ukhona lo sisokade uconduct na so mayibuka bekade ithela istory sakhe ngesikakabza at the same time. So I think le ayizukuba kuleya hype yawo but according to ama-numbers, according to ama-sales, I think le iyona eyenza imali eningi kakhulu because uKabza wenza 2 nights so uKelvin Momo wenze 3 nights ke but nje ngifuna ukukhuluma nange-album yakhe nange-production because maningi ama-opinion akhona about album yakhe. Abanye bathi album kaKelvin Momo is sound like one song because bathi imnandi but iy'ngoma zakhona ziyafana. But mothi alalela ingoma lakhe mina ngizwe ingoma e-different because into engiqaphile kakhulu album yakhe inama-vocals amaningi kakhulu abantu abangekho well known. So uzisa kakhulu abantu esingabazi laphana and still i-sounda nice, still isekule level kaKelvin Momo because umjida lona i-level yakhe iphezulu kakhulu. Umjida une-cult following e-strong futhi umusic mayokhiphile ama-numbers amkhulumela because ama-sales aphumile, ama-sales after 1 week according to ama-sales aku-Spotify, aku-YouTube Music, ama-iTunes u-accumulate u-20 million views wama-streams in 1 week. Lo ama-numbers ahigh, ama-numbers abig, ama-numbers enziwa ama-artists international, ama-numbers ahlula abantu abafana nabo-Lil Wayne. So I think umjida lo uyadeserve respect, simneze ama-flowers akhe because abantu abaningi because angamuzi ukuthi othi le album le ithathwa abodimo othi bad bonke abantu bathi album imnandi but sound like i-album kaKelvin Momo esilindele akazange ebe khona into ayenzile different but I think masuwugudi kakhulu abantu abaningi bagcine sebe-used to good bengabe basa-appreciate. So nasimneze ama-flowers akhe because I think uMomo unodlebe kakhulu in comes to music because molela umusic wakhe unama-fusion like umusic oqhamba kwezinto ezi-soulful nabo-jazz. So there's one interview engike ngayibuka yakhe ayenze laphana ku-Kaya FM eyenze noBhuda uTbozi. So la aqhaza khona ukuthi no lento yomusic into akayithatha kakhulu kwitama lakhe because belibhude kakhulu when it comes to music like umuntu ohlezi hlala lezi slow jam. So I think when it comes to that side he's very musical because another thing abayimention abantu babezama ukumcriticize uKelvin Momo bathi is not a producer but abantu bathi uvuya ngabantu abafana nabo Sticks labantu abasebenzisana nabo but I think mina uyena umuntu ogudi kakhulu ku-E&R because zonke lezi ngoma ama-vocal mixing even nabo babalwa yonke lento angaba ayikho possible ukuba akekho lo mjida. So mawukuthi wena umuntu oyi-bigger brand uzosebenzisana nabantu abama-producer, ama-in-house producer, abantu abaningi bagcina sebebelieve ukuthi no you are not that dope, abantu abadope laba abasebenzisana nabo but I think umjida udope kakhulu. So ingoma i-album iphumile inengoma eziwu-29 and mawuyilalela yonke like ingoma zimnandi zonke but there's one song I think yona kuphela ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale album because uyenze noBabalo. Siyazi last year bekhona ama-rumors uba benoBabalo bake basplitter up and stuff. So there's that song akayenzile na i-producer umjida emhlonipha kakhulu when it comes to production uChef laphana the musical chef. Leyo ngoma le ine-message engathi i-diss song is like uBabalo udisa uKelvin Momo but lezi zinto ezenzala between but umdisa kwingoma yakhe and umjida udisa kuyi-release. So I think nje ngamhlonipha ngalokho ukuthi ithathe lo disi nje ithathe la ngoma ifile laphana because mina if the album I don't think bengizoyivumela kube khona ingoma edisa mina ku-album but udecide ukuyi-release. I'm not sure kwenzakalani between bona because even ile ama-video akutrendayo akule show ati khona this past weekend akhona ama-videos la abadansa khona bobabili. So I think leyo nto especially kubona isoze yaphela because even nobaba le ndlela ade excited ngayo is like now bekuyishow yakhe because bekuwumuntu kade ekhona around uKelvin Momo besakhulisa le brand kaMomo until ize kule level esifike yona. So I think naye ubefila proud ngenye indlela because leya moment bekuyi moment yabo bobabili but i-album mina ngi-enjoyile mina album inengoma nje eziningi obvious umusic wakhona private school piano ingoma nje ethi ukuba chill zilalele laba abantu mhlawumbe yabo mothi mhlawumbe nje ama-Sunday yabo ko Sunday chill mhlawumbe uyadrivela asinazo lo music lo nomsindi like ispeaker. So but Kelvin Momo i-album idope and I can't wait ukuthi ngibone i-full show noma nje just i-2 hours wale performance akade ikhona e-Red Bull Symphonic. So nje mina bengithi ngifuna sinikeze uMomo ama-flowers akhe ezospeaker now because I feel like abantu abaningi since good kanje bagcina sebecount no kuba good into is no. I think umjida uspecial because even the following yakhe akaposti i-PR yakhe like akenza ama-interviews but still ama-numbers akhe amkhulumela. So yeah, I think uKelvin Momo is one of the biggest stars zamapiano azoke iphinde ebe khona apha eSouth Africa. Is whether siyathanda or asithandi because abanye abathi no Momo is not piano, Momo is deep house. I don't think ikhona deep house enje inelo drum enje. So I think mina uMomo uyabelonga ngamapiano. So nami ngumbono wami nguspeaker nawe sekhona ku Facebook sispeaker nawe, ku YouTube subscribe uspeaker nawe, ku TikTok sispeaker nawe, Instagram sekhona sispeaker nawe, even on Twitter @sispeaker nawe or else just follow #sispeaker nawe. We out.